Hello, Dave. Good morning, Mamagabo. So today we are going to talk about John Shibadura's way of playing the lead guitar, that of octaves or eighth intervals. I think many people have noticed that John Shibadura's guitar sounds different from anyone else in the history of Zimbabwean music. It is because he likes playing octaves, which makes it different from everyone else. So what is an octave or eighth interval? An octave is a way to play the same notes on the guitar, but on different parts of the guitar, playing the same notes on different parts. And to be able to do that, you will need to go 8 notes higher than the notes that you previously played. So let's go to the third string where we can play an open G. This is an open G on the third string. Right, to be able to play another G note, you will have to go, if you're going to play, you will have to go 8 notes higher, like this, open G. And if you come here, that's 8 notes higher. We've played another open G, so technically we've played an octave. Second string, this is a G note. Play another G, we go 8 notes higher. Even on the fourth string up, this is a G note. To play another G note, 8 notes higher. So we are playing octaves already. But to be able to put them in a song, there is a way of playing the same notes but on different parts of the strings, higher or lower. So you can do this way. For example, this is a G note. There's another G note down here. So if I play like this, that's how a typical octave sounds. Does it sound like John Shibadura by any chance? Maybe not. It is because, I'm still learning these octaves, but to be at the level of John Shibadura, you have to do it, practice it, probably for many years, to be able to reproduce, his sound that he reproduced, with octaves. But, these are octaves. I'll try to play another popular song that is done on octaves. Trying to imitate, this popular One Way by Simon Chibetu. One way from Africa. I say I think he played octaves on the rhythm guitar, though it's not a lead, but it's on the rhythm. So octaves are very interesting, but that is the most difficult way of playing a lead guitar. And you need a lot of time practicing it. For me, it took me a long time to be able to hold an octave properly, to train your fingers to hold an octave like this. Play it. It takes a very long time to play a single octave like this. It can take months if you're starting from zero, like me. I was starting from zero. It took almost a year. Then to be able to move another octave, that's another hard door which can take a long time. Then to be able to move higher, still with octaves, it can take a very long time. But I love it because that's it's hard, but that's the most interesting and unique way of playing lead guitar, which was loved by Mr. Chitungwiza John Shibado.